Hi. Today I'm going to show you an ADX screener, created in the TradingView Pine script. I have used the default inbuilt average directional index indicator, provided by the TradingView itself, to calculate the ADX value. The author of ADX has recommended that, if the ADX is above 25 value, then the market is trending. And if the ADX is below the 20 value, then the market is sideways. He or she did not mention anything about the range between 20 and 25. At least I could not find any reference to this. So I have used this logic to create the ADX screener. This is what the screener looks like. We have two tables on the chart, with 10 stocks listed in each table. And on the right side of the stock name, we have shown the ADX status of that stock. If the ADX is above 25, then the status will be shown as strong, with a green-colored background. If the ADX is below 20, then the status will be shown as weak, with a red-colored background. If the ADX is between 20 and 25, then the status B will shown as an empty box, with a gray-colored background. Let's see the inputs panel. Here, you can adjust the ADX settings. And here you can select the list of stocks that you want to screen on. Now, a special announcement. If I get at least 100 likes on this video, I will make this screener publicly available on the TradingView, for everyone to use. So if you want to use this screener, please show some love to the like and subscribe button. Thank you.